Okay, this is the old style coils you used to get on older cars and bikes. So basically it's the same idea as a modern one, but a little bit bigger. So you've got a primary side and the secondary side. So the primary side has less windings than the secondary side to boost the voltage from like 6 or 12 volts to 12,000 to 25,000. So it can jump the gap, the spark can jump the gap. But anyway, you're just going to test the primary side and the secondary side. And now I haven't done one of these before myself, so, but it shouldn't be no different. So testing the wires, 0.2 of an ohm. So I was going to test the primary winding first, which is these two. Not very good grip on that. So that is 3.5 ohms. So that's ohms. This should be the kilo ohms, the secondary side. So I'll try that. I don't really know which sides I'm getting a read on this side, so that's 4.5 kilo ohms. So a lot more windings than the primary side. So that's it. You tested the primary side, 3.5 ohms, and the secondary side, which is 4.5 kilo ohms. So that's a good coil. You can set it up so you can touch a positive to this side, the contact breaker side, and test it to make sure it's sparking, but I'll do that on a separate video.